Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add fonts in the VN apps. So in VN, if you add tags, here for example, you can see there are fonts that is already provided by VN. So for example, hello, if you can see, if you in here, there are so many options of fonts that you can choose. But if you want to add another font that you've downloaded separately, you can just do it in here. There's an option to add font. Just click on the add font and then find the font file that is on your file. Here for example, I want to add okay, so this one's right here. Just click on the font, and here it has been successfully imported. And if you want to change it here, there's a my font section. Just click on that and then it will be applied to your text like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can add fonts in the VN apps. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.